Alright, what's up guys? It's been like 2 years since I made a vocal preset tutorial, but anyways, this is how to sound like Lucy Bedroque. I covered the song 2010 Justin Bieber on his new album. Kind of new, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna play the vocals without the preset so you can hear what it sounds like before. As you can tell, it's pretty bad. And then, alright, this is what it sounds like with the preset. Ooh, sounds way better. I think the autotune on it is kind of saving me. I'll play the entire thing so you can hear what it sounds like. Alright, so I had to pitch it down by 2 semitones because I don't know if they actually record that high, but it's impossible. But if I were to pitch it up, but if I were to pitch it up by 2, then it'd be the normal pitch. Anyways, you get it. That's how it sounds. This preset consists of a recording, a main, a background, and a route, and then the ad-libs. This is how the main sounds. And then this is the background. And then the ad-libs. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I also have a new bundle out since all my old videos are like pretty old. I added all of my old presets in there and a bunch of other presets that I use and a tutorial how to record more in depth. So if you're interested in buying that kit, it'll be in the description below. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Peace out.